Sunny out here. Hey you guys, and happy Sunday. So today I'm going to be going out with my sister, my little sister. We're going to have a little sister day today. I'm going to be vlogging all today. We're going to go out to eat. We'll get some coffee, all of that. But I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to go today. Well, how rude is that? Bird poop on the door. Okay. Don't judge my car. It needs a little detailing. Let me set all my stuff here. Ugh. Y'all, I am loving my hair today. I actually, what did I do? I permed rod my hair. This is on old hair with Texture My Way styling mousse. It is giving me natural hair, Marilyn Monroe. Hopefully it will stay put together all throughout today. You know, New Orleans, all the humidity. So, yeah, we shall see. Let me get my phone. So one place that we're going to that I've been wanting to go to for a while here in New Orleans is called Beauty Drink Nola. Beauty Drink Nola. I think it's on Magazine Street, but it's super duper cute, super duper pink in there, and like you can actually like customize your coffees and stuff like that. Now I'm on keto. I'm really not supposed to be having it, but we're gonna cheat today. So yeah, so I'm definitely gonna take you guys with me to drink Beauty Nola. Say hey, sister.
You got me looking rusty. Hello.
Girl, you don't look rusty. Girl, bye. So we are going to drink a Nola. Put the seatbelt on before we roll. Look at my sis, my Nubian queen. Look at my sister giving legs today. Let me see you pose. Hello. Period.
Y'all out here.
Period.
Okay.
Hold on. Is my hair doing what it needs to be done? My hair be always doing something, child. Okay. Alright, sis.
I got your head turning.
And Bree said you look good as fuck. And the legs are moving, sis. Legs. Okay.
Other than that, we have a couple like preloaded designs that are already in the printer. So if you want to just do it quickly, you can just choose or select those.
Okay. Oh, this is cute. You want to see what kind of designs they have in there?
Well, I want to know. So it shows the number once you submit, and I guess now we order, and then
Okay, like that. So show your number, staff number 2. Okay. Good.
So what kind of drink can I get?
So it's more like a golden milk latte. So it has turmeric in it.
Yeah, it's like a little bit more flavorful, I guess.
Very healthy.
I'm gonna do the latte.
Alright, the straight latte.
Do y'all have like a caramel latte?
Yeah.
Let me do that. I'm gonna do that one.
Alright, so you just tap on the image that you want at the top of your cup. Put it right on that little heart shape right there.
I tap your image. Okay, let's see how this process goes. That's it too?
Look at that.
That is cute. Oh wow, that's so cute.
Oh my goodness. What does that look like?
Oh, our coffee came out so cute. Look at my face, y'all. Look at my sister. It's cute. You like it, Nancy? I do. Some sugar. I just like mine. I caramel latte. Yo, these coffees, first of all, are so cute. You can just upload your own little image on here. Got my face that's going away slowly but surely, but it's so cute. And it's not even expensive, y'all. It's like, I don't know, $5. Yeah, it was like $5. And that was after tax. Cheers to our sister date. I know. He always be somewhere, girl. So cute.
Follow me on Instagram.
Okay, what's your Instagram, sis? What's your Instagram?
Hello.
Only Nancy can. He is so cute.
We
are
are
long ways, y'all.
Yes.
The full thing. Hello. The full thing. Hello.
The Vaseline.
Black and magic. Period. So y'all, we're done with Drink Nola, y'all. This place is just so cute, y'all. I gotta come back here. One. But yes. Affordability, cute Instagram type place. It's nice. Alright, so me and sis is about to go, I don't know, somewhere to spare time because we have somewhere to go eat at 5:30. So we're gonna go ahead and spare time, probably go take some pictures or something like that, because you know we like to take pictures. But yeah, so let's see what we're gonna do with our extra little time that we got. So we are going to go to a little consignment shop just to spare some time because it's like $4.50 right now, and we have dinner reservations for 5:30, and we've been taking too many damn pictures, so we ain't got that much time to stop nowhere else. But we're gonna go ahead and just roam around some little shops or whatever real quick. And me and sis switch from the heels to the sandals, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I locked my car. So we're going to this little consignment shop, Buffalo Exchange. I haven't been here in years.
Hey, y'all.
Hi. So unfortunately we could not film in Buffalo Exchange because they told us that they would need like a, what is it called? I don't know, like a little,
like a permission.
yeah, from other people to film.
Yeah,
so that's
but
okay.
We got a little bit of something.
But show them what you got. Nancy bought something. I ain't bought
My
nothing.
glasses, girl, is giving what needs to be gave. Do you see this?
$10. Get face, get face.
Yes.
All right, so freaking hot out here, y'all.
It really is.
So hot. Jesus
So
Christ.
hot in here. So hot.
It's 80 degrees. It's ghetto. All right, y'all. So let's go eat. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna eat today. It's gonna be good, hopefully.
Really.
So we're at Lulu's Distillery on St. Charles, sitting outside.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Did she get another cup? It's a little dirty on it.
Oh, I forgot to bring my freaking Goldberg soda. So I've been here before, And I had got the lamb chops before. They low-key needed a little bit more seasoning, so we're gonna see how they taste today. Now, someone on Instagram told me that they a little bit seasoned now, so we're gonna see how they taste today, okay? So they got the lamb chops, the 5 lamb chops with the roasted potatoes, onion rings, bacon, and green beans. So we're gonna see what it's hitting for today. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm just, y'all, they have so many fucking caterpillars outside. Fucking get my nerves back. They are out here, y'all. They are out here. The caterpillars. I feel like, is it just us?
It's so beautiful in your tray.
I don't want to do, I don't want to, So we got some drinks. I got my little whiskey on the rocks. And she got, what you got, Nancy?
This is the pomegranate lemonade.
All right. Since I'm on keto, I got my little meal. A little squirt. Period. The freaking devil is crawling, y'all. Don't want us to be great. Y'all, we've been sitting here trying to figure out what picture we want to post on Instagram, y'all. It's a lot to choose from. Some good ones. But y'all gonna see. If you're not already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at My Natural High.
Only Nancy can, baby. Look at the results.
Okay. Who vlog is this? Mine or hers? Cause I'm confused.
You can't tell.
Yeah, our food has arrived, y'all. We got this, what is it, lamb chops on deck. With the little onion rings, y'all. Ooh, child. Sis got the same. Okay, we about to grub, eat, all of that.
Can we get you some?
Yes. This bitch on my leg. Nancy, give me the thing. Oh, damn. Yeah. Correct. Oh my gosh. I just stared at it for a while. I'm about to die. You ate a lamb? I'm about to say you ate a lamb chop already because you don't got. I did. I had to make sure that I had 5. This is good.
Everything tasting good so far?
Yeah. I'm about to cheat on keto. I just got eaten. Okay.
What have you been for
That lamb chop.
I like this green here, so it's good.
Okay. All right. This seasoned it. Definitely giving, but these greens need some salt and pepper. But I'm still gonna eat it with my little potatoes. Restarting my keto tomorrow, Monday. But I've already lost like 5 pounds, probably 7 at this point on keto for 2 or 3 weeks. One thing about me, I eat good. Because when I die, the last thing I'm gonna say is, you know what? I lived and I ate good. The best of the best. Me. Period.
How do you like your food?
Lamb chops on one.
Okay. I see you didn't need any garlic salt, huh?
I'm gonna need some garlic salt on them. And being the same way how you're being sitting here.
The lamb chop's gone, okay?
Yeah. That's the best part.
All right, boy.
Y'all, these lamb chops had no chance, okay? Nothing. I killed it. And plus my jack with my meal. Done. Here. So y'all, Lulu's was really good. They really upped their flavoring on the lamb chops. Because like I said, they weren't all that good before. I mean, it was okay, but it wasn't all that good. It wasn't giving what needs to be gave. But we are going to go get drinks at this last little spot downtown called the Auction House. Never been before, but the aesthetics on Instagram is super duper cute. It looks like a lot of plants, or I don't know what you call that, vinery around the place. So it's definitely like Instagrammable type of place for pictures. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and stop there. Y'all, New Orleans streets is just so freaking raggedy. Okay, let's see where this auction house or auction market is located. Off to the next spot. We're going to the auction house here on Magazine Street. First time that I'm going, first time that Nancy's going, so it's cute on Instagram, so I feel like it's gonna be super cute inside as well. So the tables are free. It's cute in here. Yeah, we can sit at the bar. You want to sit? I'm gonna sit next to you. It's so cute. You got a little restaurants. Happy hour time. I really can't drink any of these, so ooh, they got rosé. I'm gonna do a rosé. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
I already know what I want.
Wow.
Both get rosés.
Looking for.
The happy hour rosé.
Okay, so I am happy to offer you the rosé that we offer at happy hour.
Okay.
But as you can see, happy hour is weekdays.
Oh my god.
So there is no happy hour today.
That's why I was turned around.
You know, I'm gonna still do the rosé. How much is the house rosé?
House rosé is $8.
Yeah, that's $1.
Same.
See?
Yeah.
Got it.
Thank you. You almost tapped on the table like a shot, huh?
Yeah. I'm so used to it.
Oh, this place is so cute. I love all the greenery and everything. And this place has different like little small restaurants in here. You have a sushi bar. What is that? Like Thai food. What do you think about this spot, Nancy?
It is very cute. I say that this is a cute spot when you want to say, oh, it's negative. You want to say, you know, you chill, and you look real cute. And it's like,
It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
Get a little drink. It's a vibe, y'all. It is a vibe. Definitely a vibe. Everything about here is love. And the price is like that good. This rosé was
$8. Second glass. Watching my sis down.
Yeah, first I thought it was money. And 3 days passed by.
Y'all, I want to show y'all the restroom. It's super duper cute. Let's go, y'all. I know y'all like, what you gotta show us the restroom for? I gotta show y'all. It's so cute. Oh, so cute. So cute. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. But yeah, no, like low-key, I do need to go pee. But yeah, I just need to show you guys the bathroom. So cute. So we're closing up our sister date, y'all. It was a good day. I had 2 cups of wine. She only had 1. Did a little talk off camera, but it was a good day. Yeah, life discussion, you know, censored. Yeah, it was a good day. Good day. You enjoyed everything? I showed her to all of the new spots. Well,
She did. I'm definitely coming back here.
yeah, it's cute. The drink, beauty drink Nola, and here. It's cute. Yes.
Shall I charge the card?
Yes. Love you, sister.
I love you too.